Hello, and in this very quick tutorial I'm going to help you solve the problem of the GoPro Swivel ball joint being stuck problem that you may have if you've just got your brand new swivel joint. Now, what you may find is that as soon as you get it, it's completely stuck. It does not move at all, thus kind of defeating the purpose of having a ball joint swivel adapter. Now, don't panic, because they don't give you the solution in the box at all or on the internet. It's very simple. Don't try to force it. Don't try to undo these screws. These screws are very delicate. Don't touch anything. You don't need to send it back to Amazon. All you do is spray the ball area with some WD-40 and that will resolve your issues. And the reason I'm making this short video is because I couldn't find such a video when I was trying to resolve the problem. So it's as simple as that. Give it a spray with some oil and then wipe it down with some paper kitchen roll and your ball joint will move no problem. So there you are. Now, if you're going to be doing some biking video shoots, particularly if it's a mountain bike or bicycle, or if you're doing some racing, I've discovered that if you angle your GoPro at about 45 degrees tilting upwards, that actually gives you the best general view, because as a cyclist you'll generally always be looking down, looking out for glass or sharp stones, or trying to avoid objects if you're doing off-roading. So it took me 4 or 5 trials to get it right, but as you can see in the picture here, if you do tilt it at an angle of 45 degrees upwards, that should give you the best point of view for bicycling. Of course, motorcycling will be different. On a motorcycle you'll be in a different position when you're riding, but for bicycles, mountain bikes, racing bikes, this is the handy tip I would give you. Angle it at 45 degrees and you should get really good shots. So I hope you found this little video useful, and make sure to subscribe to our videos, Vincent Anthony Media, and our live stream show. Bye for now.